I'm Devin Sears, and today I'm going to talk with you about how to start an e-commerce store as a beginner. It's your time to make the big jump from idea to action and start an e-commerce business online. Congratulations! The internet has several tools to help transform that idea to an e-commerce business you will love. There is literally a business for everything. Whether you are a writer looking to start freelancing or an online retailer ready to get your products out to an international audience, the world of e-commerce welcomes you. Now let's talk about what you need to get started. The first step is choosing your domain name. Your domain name is such an important aspect of your journey because you want to pick a name that's going to set you apart from the crowd. A few tips to keep in mind when selecting your domain name is to think like a visitor who is visiting your website. Consider the most important features of your brand that would stand out, whether it's phrases or keywords that would grab someone's attention. Make your domain brandable. You never get a second chance at a first impression, and your domain isn't any different. Consider choosing a name that's going to stand out from the competition. Make it memorable. The most engaging sites have short names between 6 and 14 characters. Also, don't forget to avoid numbers, hyphens, and special characters. The next step is selecting your hosting provider. Web hosting is where your website lives on the internet. Hosting is your website's connection to the world. Every website on the internet needs web hosting. It literally can't exist without it. Most web hosting providers have different packages you can review that will include different features like customer support, security, and more. The third step is getting an SSL certificate, which helps protect your customers. An SSL certificate adds a special security layer on your website so you can accept sensitive information such as credit card numbers and other personal information. This is required for you to accept credit card payments on your website. Here at Bluehost, SSL certificates are free with any web hosting package a customer chooses, so you and your customers are protected. Afterwards, you'll walk through the fun components of building your store, like installing the WooCommerce plugin and setting up your theme. But the last and most important step is to add your products to your store. Your products and services are the heart of your business, and the sooner you get them up, the quicker your visitors can start buying from your store. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips to help you on your website journey. You can also find us at Bluehost on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.